Lolita? Yes. Thank you. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Oh, I like the way her hair is braided. Ooh, that's cute. See the girl there? Her hair is cute.
Yeah, but I do want to have my hair like that, but I know you
You want your hair braided?
Yeah.
I gotta get the hair. What color hair you want?
I
Want fun colors?
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta buy the hair.
I wouldn't like it to be orange or yellow.
Oh, that's gonna be cute. That'll be
Like
cute.
together.
That'll be cute. See how she got it? See, the problem with me, Mina, is I can't sit that long. My booty start hurting.
No, next.
Then my legs fall asleep. No, I'm talking about, I want that too, because look at my hair. I don't think people want to see me walking around looking like this, but I can't sit that long. I gotta keep moving.